Welcome to Best Picks Lab. The best Natasha Romanoff Funko Pop is probably one of the most iconic and sought-after collectibles for any Marvel fan, capturing the essence of the Black Widow in a stylized, miniature form that's perfect for display on your desk, shelf, or even in your gaming setup, making it a must-have for anyone who admires her strength, resilience, and pivotal role in the Avengers saga. Number 5. Funko Pop. Avengers Endgame Black Widow. Introducing the Funko Pop figure from Avengers Endgame, featuring Black Widow. This is an officially licensed piece of merchandise, perfect for any fan. Standing at approximately 3.75 inches tall, it's the perfect size for any display case or desk. It complements other collectibles beautifully. Crafted from high-quality, durable vinyl, this figure is built to last. Enjoy long-lasting quality for years to come. Looking for the ultimate gift for an Avengers Endgame fan? This exclusive figurine is a must-have for any collection, ideal for holidays or birthdays. Add this unique Black Widow vinyl piece to your Funko Pop assortment. Complete your set by seeking out other rare and exclusive items. Trust Funko, the leading creator of pop culture merchandise. They offer a wide range of collectibles, from vinyl figures to apparel. What we like? This figure is the ideal collectible size, fitting perfectly on your desk or display case. Made from premium vinyl, it's built to last. If you are looking for a classic, durable piece to add to your existing collection or as a gift for any Avengers Endgame fan, this is the one for you. What people say. As described, in a pop protector. She is absolutely beautiful. The box came in perfect condition. Parfait pour les amateurs Marvel bon qualité du produit. Number 4. Funko Pop. Deluxe Marvel, Avengers Assemble Black Widow. Introducing a brand new initiative from Funko, exclusively available here. This is the 5th figure in the exciting Avengers Assemble series, featuring Black Widow. This series captures the iconic moment from the first Avengers movie where the team assembles for the first time. Each figure connects to create a dynamic display piece. These figures showcase a level of detail not seen in the original Funko Pop line made for the first Avengers movie. Experience your favorite heroes like never before. The next figure in the series will be announced as the previous one ships. Start your collection today by securing Black Widow. This is the Amazon exclusive Black Widow, the 5th figure in the 6-figure set. Don't miss out on this unique collectible. Collect all 6 figures to complete a stunning 12-inch diameter set piece. Each figure is sold individually as they are announced throughout 2020. What we like? This is part of a deluxe series that captures an iconic assemble moment from the first Avengers movie. The figures nest perfectly together to form a dynamic set piece. If you are a fan of the original Avengers movie and want to recreate that memorable team-up scene, you should consider this. What people say. Awesome detail. It's looked awesome and the paint was spot on. It looked awesome. Great size and price. Box look great too. Exactly as pictured, can't track package but if came fast. Number 3. Funko Pop. Deluxe Marvel Avengers Victory Shawarma Black Widow. Relive an iconic moment from the Avengers movie. This collectible captures the team's first shawarma experience after their epic battle. This is the 5th figure in the exclusive Victory Shawarma series. It features Black Widow, ready to join your Avengers Assemble set. Each figure in this series connects to the next, forming an impressive 8.75-inch long display piece. Collect them all to complete the scene. Experience a new level of detail not seen in earlier releases. This figure brings the memorable post-battle scene to life with enhanced artistry. Don't miss out on completing your Victory Shawarma set. Continue your collection by securing this Black Widow figure today. This special series is exclusively available here. Add this unique piece of Avengers history to your collection. What we like? This deluxe figure captures an iconic moment from the end credits of the first Avengers movie, where the team tries shawarma. Each figure nests perfectly into the next to form a dynamic set piece. If you love the light-hearted moments after the big battles and want to build out the Victory Shawarma scene, this is a great addition. What people say. The quality is good too. The paint job doesn't look too horrible either. Funko always puts out the best product ever and came in great condition. 1010, Dead Ale I Wilkosk Popa Ni Bardzo Positini Zeskoxili. Number 2. Funko Pop. Marvel, WandaVision, Pregnant 70s Wanda vinyl figure. Get ready to add a unique piece to your collection. This vinyl figure captures Wanda in a special moment from the 70s era. Straight from Funko's renowned Pop vinyl line, this collectible is crafted with attention to detail. It's designed to stand out on your shelf. Standing at approximately 3.75 inches tall, it comes packaged in a window display box. This makes it perfect for showcasing right out of the package. This figure is part of a larger collection dedicated to the WandaVision series. You can find other characters to complete the set. Don't miss out on adding this distinctive Wanda figure to your Marvel memorabilia. Start or continue your collection today. What we like. This figure is inspired by the WandaVision series, featuring a unique pregnant 70s Wanda design. It stands at 3.75 inches and comes in a window display box. If you are a fan of the WandaVision series and appreciate its distinct aesthetic, this unique collectible is a must-have. What people say. The detail is great, along with the poise and color. This Funko Pop arrived on the date and time promised. There was no damage to it, dings, dents, or squished corners. If you love Wanda, this Funko is an absolute must for your collection. It looks great on the shelf and makes any collection look better. Number 1. Funko Pop. Marvel, Black Widow White Suit Bobblehead. From the hit Marvel movie, Black Widow, comes a new collectible. This is the iconic spy in her striking white suit. This stylized vinyl bobblehead captures her essence perfectly. It's a must-have for any fan of the Marvel Universe. Standing at approximately 3.75 inches tall, this figure is designed for display. It includes a clear stand to showcase it proudly. Natasha Romanoff, also known as Black Widow, is poised to join your collection. She's ready to leap into action right on your shelf. Don't miss out on adding this incredible piece to your display. Collect all the Black Widow Pop vinyl figures to complete the set. What we like. This figure features Black Widow in her iconic white suit, ready to leap into action. It stands approximately 3.75 inches tall and comes with a clear plastic stand for perfect display. If you are a fan of Natasha Romanoff's spy skills and want a dynamic representation of her in your collection, this is the perfect choice. What people say. She is so cool looking in her white suit. Came quickly as an awesome figure and packaging was good. It is a really great value for the money as it is very decently priced. It's worth having in your Marvel collection. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.